have to. All my friend is getting butchered there. I'm fucked.
Don't reveal that on podcast, man.
Or
Your friend is getting
good bloopers, no done. When he's getting drunk by the hour, we're okay.
Cool. Rolling.
अब तू देख लेगा ना उसको.
वापस एक ढंग से बजा ना. Sorry.
You're gonna have a ball of a time when you record this shit, okay? Hello and welcome to Veg Biryani. We've been gone for several weeks. We were on a bender. We can call it a bender, right? We were on a bender at Alibag. We're gonna resume the podcast. We were not here for like 2 weeks because हम लोग का बहुत चर्चा चल रहा था कि how we gonna continue this shit. But yeah, we have two lovely guests today, Shreya and Harshita, who we're going to be talking about fashion
Yeah.
or holding a small business together, right? So yeah, can you tell us guys like how did you start?
Okay, so how did we meet?
Yeah, how did you meet exactly?
Extremely random.
Okay.
So,
I met her in a coffee shop actually.
yeah,
Oh.
at a coffee shop. But like, actual.
A very random meet.
Yeah.
Hmm.
She was my friend's mutual friend.
Okay.
So I didn't know that she was doing a fashion study.
Hmm.
So one fine day, I just asked her that I have an idea in my mind. So
Hmm.
can we do something or can we meet and
Hmm.
we'll discuss about it?
Actually, ये शुरुआत यहाँ से हुई कि she saw some kurtis that I stitched for my
Oh yeah,
friend,
Okay.
a mutual
yeah.
friend.
Okay.
So she's like, oh, let's meet, let's catch up. I was like, I was planning something like this, and she
Hmm.
already had the base
Hmm,
creative. So I was
hmm.
like, okay, let's jump in, let's talk
Okay.
about it. So that's how
So
I.
this was like a proper influencer like meetup or shit.
No.
No.
It was
actually a random meet.
Random.
Okay.
I
Okay.
asked
okay.
randomly, चलो एक friend है वो fashion करती है
Hmm.
मुझे भी कुछ तो शुरू करना है
Okay.
तो ठीक है I'll just ask her
Hmm.
We also had
करेगी
one
तो ना
more.
करेगी उससे
Hmm.
ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करेगी
Hmm.
So we had one
So-
more wheel with us. We were
Huh.
three actually,
Okay.
initially in the plan.
Huh.
So then
Sounds like something we know, no, Atulya? Yeah, sorry.
one got like in the process
Hmm.
things didn't
Yeah.
work
Work out
out and
properly.
everything. So
Hmm.
it took us around a year or maybe more
Yeah,
to
to
actually
Okay.
start
make
and
it true.
implement
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
in process.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was how it was the start of it.
So I just want to do this podcast in the sense of how do you start a small business, right? It's not small, right? It's small right now, but it might head into something big.
Right.
Everybody should have that
How do you
option.
start and like what are the
Exactly.
basic
I mean,
stages?
even Veg Biryani is like that. It's a group collective that started right now. So you said you met randomly.
Yeah, I mean there was
Absolutely.
absolutely no
Okay.
connect.
And
Matlab,
I saw her photos in which she was wearing
styling.
a sari, draping a sari.
Okay,
yeah, so
okay.
I used to do something like that.
Hmm.
So I used to stitch, I used to do
Hmm.
little designing part
Yeah, yeah.
because obviously
Hmm.
fashion. And then that's how
And
we
the
contacted.
only thought was वो fashion का कुछ तो कर रही है जो let's just ask her.
Hmm.
Even if she says no or yes, वो आगे की बात है. Let's just ask her.
Hmm.
And I was pretty sure 9 to 5 तो करना नहीं है, internship तो बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है. मतलब so that's a different part of a conversation,
Hmm.
but I'm completely against not exploring your branches out. Like if you can find that way, then you
Hmm.
have to do it.
Yeah.
That's how you get into it.
Correct.
And I can't put out my creativity so that मैं किसी और को बड़ा बना पाऊँ.
Hmm.
Rather I'll do it for myself. and
Exactly,
खुद को बड़ा बना
exactly,
पाऊँ. So
exactly.
that's how I think that was the whole.
I think that's like a very, I don't want to say this word, but it's a very millennial thought, no?
It's not a very.
If
I'm not
you,
millennial.
if you think about it, but still,
Um,
I mean, it's good. I'm not saying it's
I
bad.
think because during the education part only everybody gets so churned up that
Yeah.
they're done with
Yeah.
by the time they go out.
Yeah.
And I don't think people want more, and people are really spontaneous these days. So
Correct.
वो जो एक monotony आ जाती है because you're into a job, you're doing the same thing, and people with design field particularly they need a lot of fresh mindset.
Exactly.
Of course.
Yeah.
Now because we are running a business, if tomorrow I go to Harshita saying okay this is the these ideas are there, because I am at the authoritative place, we both
Mhm.
can at least proceed with the idea. If I was under the authoritative place, I don't know whether my
Yeah.
idea will really get
Yeah, I
to the
understand,
point I
understand.
imagine.
Yeah.
So like, I think it was same for both of us. Like
Of course.
9 to 5 तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना है.
Yeah.
We wanted something that was really spontaneous. We could do something with, and when we met actually, see business तो बहुत सारे होते हैं. What exactly did we want to do was our first discussion.
Yeah.
And she said sari and I said sari.
So
So
that
Okay.
was the click.
So that was like the clicking
You are
point.
Salman. Yes.
So the wavelengths matched
खत्म.
directly.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
that day we knew कि कुछ तो होने वाला है.
Yeah.
कुछ
हाँ,
तो कर
मतलब
सकते हैं.
Actually, we really thought कि अभी 1 महीने में चालू करना चाहिए. But that's not really how it works.
Exactly,
We
yeah.
understood that there's a vast process that goes behind it, and वो हमने पहले anticipate शायद नहीं की थी.
Even if you do a lot of paperwork,
Yeah.
it actually takes
I
a
know.
lot of
time to implement and
Absolutely.
actually get it. मतलब इतना कि we were ready with the fabrics,
Oh.
but
But the legal
something-
paperwork and shit.
legal
like,
paperwork भी छोड़ो, नाम
Okay.
ही decide नहीं हुआ. नाम
Oh.
we took 6 months, 7 months
Yeah,
for name
just to decide the
only.
name. Because
Because-
जो भी हमने jot down किए थे वो सब थे already.
Already.
So it was a really difficult process to actually find a good name
Yeah.
that कुछ तो
और सिर्फ नाम नहीं रखना था.
ट्रेडिशन भी चाहिए था
Yeah.
पर मॉडर्ननेस भी चाहिए था.
We really, I think, ethnic in that terms. We really wanted to take up that sense and yet introduce this side of fashion to
Correct,
our
correct.
age people. So that's why it took 6 months. And uske pehle we had decided 3 names. We were like every name we
And we
decided
were done
like,
with logo also.
this
that
is the
this is
name,
the
yeah,
final
yeah.
logo and this is the final.
So you
Final
came with the
name.
logo first and the name last.
No.
No.
अच्छा.
Name
It's
decide
about
किया.
not
Okay,
cancel.
okay.
फिर लोगो किया.
Yeah.
फिर हमने मतलब नाम हाँ ये एकदम this is it. And then one day we were just talking, we were like this
One
is
of our friends
not
suggested
it.
that this is not actually.
And we were thinking about the same, but अभी क्या, अभी लोगो बन चुका है, अभी क्या
Yeah,
करना है?
exactly.
कोई हाँ किए तो कैसे
Yeah.
इसको बताओ क्या या नहीं बताओ.
You already stepped in the well. Now you can't get.
Yeah,
Yeah,
how
exactly.
do I go back to zero?
Exactly,
Right?
exactly. Yeah.
But we could have gone with the previous names also, but I think it wouldn't have been something we wanted to convey. So we went
Yeah.
So
back to square
I think
one.
that's the same thing that happened with us. Because let me ask you, both art students,
Yeah.
both art
Art
students,
and
right?
art students.
So same thing happens with, I think generally with art students, right? It's always ki, it's not a A plus B wala technique.
हाँ जी.
It's always ki, you find a niche,
Yeah.
like what people like, and you always drive towards the thing that this is my target.
Right.
If they know, they will get into it if they want to. I think that's the thing that we and Atulya started with. Like the same thing कि logo बना दिया है, नाम रख दिया है. I think it took us like 4 days to come up with the name Veg Biryani and shit. Half of the people, again, I think you might relate to this, is half the people don't know why you put the name there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
of
nobody
course.
actually. अच्छा, why did you keep this?
हाँ,
name?
exactly.
ये बहुत कम लोग.
बहुत कम लोग
बहुत कम
पूछते हैं. तो but like, was it like I mean, you knew you both were into studies and designing that, right? But like you had a niche, like you were like wavelength पे like this is the niche that you want to follow, or was it like just
Actually, I have done my graduation in sociology. So,
Okay. Oh, damn.
and I'm a dancer by profession.
Oh.
So it was just a thought that I want to do something in a fashion industry.
Okay.
Fortunately, I met her,
Hmm.
and the journey started.
Yeah.
So I didn't know the technicalities from fashion industry.
Hmm.
So I guess I am still learning from her.
Hmm.
ऐसा niche कुछ decide नहीं किया,
था,
but
Okay.
पर
what we came up with was one thread that we wanted to weave in all age groups, that मतलब जो सारा एज ग्रुप के बीच में एक थ्रेड, मतलब ऐसी साड़ी जो everybody can wear.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
not particularly targeted
They're
to
very
any
versatile,
yeah,
basically,
very
yeah.
versatile, and also we wanted to really weave this fabric of
Hmm.
all the generations together who can really do this.
Yeah.
And I knew technicalities, but she knew practicality,
Yeah.
which I was lacking because I
Yeah.
had never worked, and she
I think that's the best thing that you can find in a partner, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
the things that
absolutely.
you know, the other person knows something different.
Different.
exactly. So
Yeah.
we know our strong parts.
Hmm.
That is why I can trust on the design which she designed.
Absolutely.
I'm absolutely like if तुझे लग रहा है नहीं होगा, so let's just do this.
So you're like Shreya Sambali, like
हाँ,
that,
हाँ,
she knows that
absolutely,
exactly
absolutely.
part.
So I
of
don't
it.
have
Absolutely.
to. We're not on the zone. We have to convince. Oh my God, no, this. Of course, if she feels that this is not really going to work practically, yes,
Yeah.
we are going to go that way.
Correct.
We don't want to कि अच्छा ये कर रही है तो ठीक है, ऐसा zone नहीं है. I put up an idea, she goes through it, she adds her thing to it, practicality, then she handles most of the technicalities कि अच्छा ये होगा, ये बजट में है नहीं, ये नहीं है, ये करना है. So because we are artists, we go everywhere. ये पता नहीं चलता एक्सपेंसिव फैब्रिक है, अभी नहीं ले सकते, लेकिन we
पसंद
want
आया तो
that.
पसंद
So
आया.
it's like an artistic process that you go through.
Yeah. So it's like a design process
Correct,
that
exactly,
we really
yeah.
follow. Yeah.
So, but it's like now, like, tell me what got you into the exact, like, you were talking about like fashion, right? Like, before everything happened, before you met and all, like, what was the thing that got you into fashion? Like, there must be some hunger, like exactly what?
बोलो.
So basically, I like to dress.
Okay.
I'm a very ethnic girl.
Okay.
I'm very obsessed about jewelry and everything. And my friends used to tell me that तू बहुत अच्छा dress up कर लेती है, so you should actually start. And then I thought कि हाँ ठीक है, लोग बोल रहे हैं, but even I like to dress up and even I like to drape a sari. So let's just try a hand in it. So वो 1.5 साल पहले आइडिया आया था. So then I stitched a sari for my friend's wedding. और वो सब लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया. वाह यार, कहाँ से लिया. So that was the, I guess, initial thread.
Yeah.
And because of my friends and family, I got into this.
And you?
For me, so since childhood, I used to spend a really long time with my grandmother, and she used to drape saris every day. So I used to see her drape saris, and I used to tell her कि why are you wearing this? ये क्यों पहन रही हो? It's so uncomfortable. 6 meters of fabric on your body. Imagine it's going to go so uncomfortable. But she used to tell me that it's not because I like, or it's not that question. It keeps me so rooted. It connects that thread to the culture.
Exactly.
And she's my grandmom. She has been conditioned to a different kind of upbringing.
Exactly.
But what I took from this is that I really want to bring out this thing and just mix it with this modern culture that we are trying to adopt, and make sure that we don't lose on to it, because that's what everybody is doing, right? So since childhood I used to wear sari and roam around घर पे. ये तो मेरा favorite काम था. तो फिर I think that's how I never made clothes actually like she did. I didn't do that even though I was learning. But that's what I told you. She brought into the practicality. अच्छा इसके ऊपर ये मैं कर चुकी हूँ पहले.
Yeah.
So that's how I think for me it was like that I wanted to. That's why I even pursued fashion. So
Sari was the main point to connect.
Yeah.
For both of us.
So that's what I
Sari
think.
and Indian textiles.
Ethnic wear mostly,
Yeah,
most of the
yeah.
times, right?
Ethnic wear.
So that's what I find interesting. Is like you chose sarees or Indian wear. Let's say Indian wear or
Right.
ethnic wear, right? It's a lot of. I mean, we grew up with people just copying the West and not taking Indian wear and ethnic wear for granted right now, right? But at the end, if you see, the people that you look up to, the Western people, look up to us.
Of course.
So that was the point. मतलब जहाँ यहाँ पे हम जिस कपड़े को बोलते हैं मैं रोज पहनती हूँ, वहाँ पे it's a luxury for them.
Yeah,
Imagine
exactly.
a kantha weave from Calcutta.
Yeah.
So यहाँ पे people just drape it every day, but
It's
abroad
For
it's a
them,
luxury. It's oh my
Yeah.
god, somebody has done that by this hand.
I mean,
Yeah,
look at what
yeah.
yoga is there. Like it's
It's
bloody
crazy.
quote yoga. I
Yeah.
don't know. Nobody does it here.
Yeah,
but it's
exactly.
like oh, it's a
But
phenomenon.
it's always there, right? घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. It's always
exactly,
you have it
exactly,
and then you
exactly,
don't
yeah.
value it, and then
Exactly.
it just that's what we wanted to value it,
Yeah.
and I think that's how we decided with it. Yeah.
So like how's your like you've been into this like 3 months? 3 months.
On field.
On field 3 months,
On
but
3 months.
I guess a year.
Year.
So
Before-
been with this idea for a year.
Yeah.
I think
Okay.
a year and a half also.
Okay. So like how has the process been till date? Like with the added thing of Corona.
We were
Actually,
supposed to
Corona
launch-
motivated us actually.
Yeah.
because
True that.
कोरोना था तभी लोगों की शादी नहीं रुक रही थी. तभी
कुछ
लोग
भी
शादी कर रहे थे.
शादी तो करनी है.
And we were
मतलब
waiting to end the corona and the pandemic, but then suddenly ये thought आया कि शादी तो कोई रोक नहीं रहा है, shopping फिर भी चालू है.
so
let's
why are
just
we holding
open it.
back?
Just capitalize it, right?
Yeah, just like
yeah.
and I feel that we were going to launch way before, but my college was going on. COVID was the time when my
She
college
was in
was
Bombay
not
that
there,
time.
and I was in Bombay. I shifted to Bombay last year, so वो college नहीं था, so I had a lot of free time. So how do I utilize this? fine, let's do it, let's come up with it. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, we'll have to wait for it to nurture, like to
Correct,
grow.
correct.
But so that's why, and we saw that everybody was shopping, and I wouldn't want my customer to come to a shop, risk their lives to come to the shop.
Correct.
Touch the fabric, one more customer comes, touch the same fabric. See, we didn't want this to happen. So that's why right now it's an online portal where we're taking orders through Instagram. So it was a basic idea, I think, behind launching.
But then again,
before COVID.
even if it's not COVID, then it's a better game than the physical thing, right? Or is it? Is it not?
See, it's both way, I think.
We
Okay.
are planning to open a shop, but not in a year or 2 year.
Yeah.
We'll be opening once we get settled in the whole fashion industry.
Okay.
I'll tell you there are pros and cons to both, I think, with this. Would you like to touch the fabric and check how it's?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
transparent. It's
Exactly,
not transparent.
exactly.
It's looking good on my body. How is my skin feeling with the fabric? But that's where I think once a customer comes, I think that's where we build the trust. Of course, we're having a little bit of issue with that because right now people are not able to experience the richness that we're
Exactly.
trying to bring in, because
I mean,
Indian
even
fabrics-
how much ever you write about it, it's not that.
yeah, how do you'll explain it in the beautiful words, but
Yeah.
how do you tell them how does it exactly feel on their skin?
How it's
Acha,
looking on us actually. the
Harshita might
fabric.
like this texture, but you might not.
You might not.
So-
Again, it's like 80% of people don't like to shop online, whether it's anything, right? Nobody
you'll
trusts
give
me
You
to
them
try
don't
and
know
all.
what the
Yeah.
fabric is, how it
Exactly,
feels
yeah.
on your body,
Color.
how you look.
Then again, people are procrastinating fucks that like कि नहीं मेरे को फिर से रिटर्न नहीं करने
हाँ,
का
exactly,
and
वो
then
झंझट नहीं चाहिए.
exactly, yeah. But like one question that I had is अभी like right now in this situation and everything that you've gone through, how is it like कि हाँ you want to take it further? So basically this podcast why I want to hold is you started a business, right? It's an actual business. Yeah. So how do you like you had an idea, you had to implement it. I want to know the process of implementing it, right? Because a lot of people get confused there. Like they have an idea, they have a really good idea, but then they procrastinate towards कि हाँ ये है. Then a lot of things come into mind. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? So do you guys go through just like the fuck it, let's just start, and then things like, or you like planned it like
We actually planned a lot of things.
Okay.
Like, and it's just not two of us.
yeah.
There are a lot of people behind the talam.
So it's always Team Talam. It's never Talam by Shreya and Harshita. Wherever we put
It
it,
is
it's
always
yeah.
team talam
Yeah.
because there are actually hundreds of hands that are working for us.
Exactly.
Because when we wanted to start, we had investors properly. Then we had a person who managed our finances also. So we are a team that actually running a talam. We have a photographer team. We have a videographer. We have our editor, graphic designer. So it is like a team of 10
yeah,
10 people right now. So we had actually planned when to launch the collection, like how your Instagram grid should be, because that is the judgment panel everyone look these days. Because even if your Instagram account is very nice, then it will like wow यार इनका Instagram बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है.
Correct.
So नीचे जो वो engaging रहना चाहिए. So
right.
we had thought about design. So first initial 9 days we were posting just the words that are related to fabrics.
Okay.
So we posted panna. So panna means fabric.
Yeah.
Then the last 3 words only were the talam. And then we launched our logo. Then we had a live session so that people can actually know
Who are
what
these
we are
people
coming
doing
with.
this?
Exactly. Yeah.
So we had the proper plan
So
with
I
the
think
investors and financiers.
this is there, and also we had planned a lot of things, but you know, when it comes to on-field working, 50% just gets deleted
Yeah,
immediately
yeah,
because you don't look at the real part of it. देखो चाहिए तो सब, पर कैसे? How? We had financiers, we definitely had them, but how do I make that person going to invest money, but I have to make sure I give her good returns.
Exactly,
सिर्फ
yeah.
पैसा दे के, it was not कि अच्छा दे दिया, fine, अभी करो. No, we had kept, our first motto was you have to keep our financer in loop.
There's always a sword hanging on your head.
Always,
Yeah.
but we're okay with it because that's what keeps
Because
us.
they have invested and they have actually trust in us.
Yeah, so we're going to try 100% so that we can make best for them also. They're depending on us so that
Exactly.
they can get good
Exactly.
money out of it also.
Yeah.
And it was lot of, so we had planned only 3 collections. एक होगा गणपति का collection, then होगा दिवाली wedding khatam. We launched 3 collections immediately because we didn't realize the time frame that's going to go in between.
Exactly,
We just
yeah.
thought अच्छा 3 collections हो जाएंगे कितना वक्त. But once you start posting, people just expect so
So
much
Yeah,
to come. They want
yeah,
immediate
yeah,
stuff to come
exactly,
out.
exactly, yeah.
So and once you lose that track, you're done.
Hmm.
I'm going there for 3 days. कुछ update ही नहीं
Like
किया.
that
So you
link should be
constantly
there.
have to keep in
Yeah,
touch with
so-
audience, your audience.
Exactly.
And-
Because they want something new.
Some-
अच्छा,
You
अब
need
क्या
a
आएगा, अब
retention,
क्या
right?
आएगा?
You
Yeah.
need a retention.
So that's why, and we couldn't really meet people who are buying us our products. So we had to keep live sessions so that they understand what background we come from, what is the idea actually. Because by buying a sari, they're actually also investing in our company, aren't they not? They are going to give a thing to us, right? So we really wanted to interact, tell what we're going through, how is our environment, and I think it was just us two at the beginning, but then people started joining. Okay, fine, she's our logo designer, and then yeah, it was like that, the process.
So I want to discuss with you about this. So even we started a business right now, right? So when you start a business, you have an idea. You want to, and you have friends who are, as of right now, when you start a small this thing, you always rely on people. कि बाबा हाँ, I have this person who can do this. I have this person who can do this. I have this person who can do this. We went through the same phenomenon. कि हाँ, we have this thing. But at the end of the day, it's always like कि you trust that person. He's not giving you the product. Then you learn to do it your way. Is it been with the same with you? Like for example, like we started the channel. We like कि हाँ, we have we'll get graphic designers. We have friends in that chain and all. But they did not give us any product. And they were like कि हाँ, दोस्त के लिए कर रहे हैं. Because at the when you start, you don't have any basically monetary funds or anything like that. You can't repay them for that. So we were like, it's okay. We'll learn how to do it and then implement it. So was it the same way for you? Like you had to learn?
No, I don't think. I'll tell you how it went for us. We were pretty much aware about the situation that we're not monetary wise great and excellent. So, but one thing was there, if we want to grow as per our plan, we have to take all the people who have worked with us.
Yeah.
So, I think the confidence they had in us and everybody who's invested knows our business idea.
Yeah.
Because we have sat down, explained it to them, what is Talam, what have we started, why have we started it, and once they also connect to it, see, photographer friends though we have thousands, but why few connected? Because they connected with the vision they
Exactly.
both of us had. So if we want to grow, but we want to grow with Team Talam, we don't want to leave anybody behind. If we are going to earn 5 rupees, the other person has
Exactly.
to get the money.
There's the whole growth and squad mentality, right?
It
If
has
you're
to
growing,
be there.
so I think this is common between everybody and people who are following us. It's like if we are growing, people who helped us should also grow with us.
Definitely.
Right? It's like a community thing. It's not
It's
more like a business
human
thing.
ethic
Right?
you should follow.
Yeah, and I think that's the main difference that I find between people like people who are artists and people who are basically in the commerce or the engineering field. First I'm looking at you. तो they are like कि हाँ ऐसा है ऐसा है ऐसा है काम कर लेगा हो जाएगा. I don't have to give credit to that person, right?
Yeah.
But on our side, we know the process. We know how much time it takes, and we know how much efforts that they go and how much time, energy it goes into. And we have to and I think it's just our responsibility that comes in ki if you're taking somebody who's actually really good at work, who has the same wavelength as yours, we're like, yeah, we'll take him. We make him grow with us.
With us, and also जहाँ पे भी हम जाएं, we promote them.
Exactly.
We labor their name every time possible, because I think that's how it.
That's how we help each other to grow.
Yeah. And tomorrow even they're going to do the same for us.
Exactly.
So, and we love everybody. They are adorable people who have done it, and they see. We won't say it was a smooth journey. कुछ नहीं हुआ एकदम perfect.
It was not
No.
a smooth
It's never
had to happen.
It's never a
But
smooth journey.
everybody was so okay with us learning, and that was, I think, the environment played
That
a
was
really
our biggest support to
Yeah.
learn and to grow.
You will learn a lot of things.
lot of things.
A lot
Lot
of
of
things.
things.
I
You
haven't-
never know, somebody might come and like, listen, you're doing it wrong.
Yeah,
Like, listen, there is another way out of it.
and इतने साल school, college, all of it. You know, they teach you the vision part of it.
Yeah.
They don't teach you कि अच्छा भैया को जाके कहाँ पे क्या बोलना है, ये 3 टाके नहीं चलेंगे, मेरे को 5 चाहिए.
The communication aspect comes into play.
ये कौन सिखाएगा उसको? टाके बोलते हैं, कौन सिखाएगा? So that is what we learned through this. So like for me it was a boon. I'm doing college. They're teaching me amazing stuff from you know the field and the niche part of it. And I'm over here. I'm
Actually
learning. Acha,
implementing her knowledge into
yeah, so
this
I
field.
can club it. It's really a big boon for me for starting the business right now.
Okay. So like you're saying right now you're on basically on social media. You're more dependent on social media right now.
Yeah.
So like you had a plan, like you have a marketer for it and everything, or like you like
We do
just you do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we do it.
That's what I'm saying. You figure out a way how to do it.
Yeah, I mean, how would we want a page to look up for good nice
Exactly.
clothing line?
We and
That's how
our
we did it.
team,
Okay.
whole team, like
Yeah, we sat down and we were talking.
so before any collection, we just decide what the grade should be or
Color
what the name should
combinations
be.
क्या
Yeah.
चाहिए?
So that is all pre-planned.
I think I've seen your. I think he's shown me your fields. It looks very planned. Like you have themes.
Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
have this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
We are concentrating on that.
There has to be some
purposefully.
aesthetic that's followed by. Yeah, I think
It's a
because
clothing brand and it should be
any
aesthetic.
brand and because continuity कैसे होगी otherwise एक ये but how? So yeah,
There should be some colors, patterns,
Something.
aesthetics.
And how's the response right now?
It's pretty
we're,
nice.
yeah, it's good. We're
It's
sold
pretty
out
nice.
with first collection, almost sold out with second collection,
Wow.
and we just launched third.
Third collection, we
Third.
will be launching our
Fourth
fourth collection.
soon. It's a wedding collection. It's going to be a premium collection. So that's why, yeah. I mean, pretty good because in your contacts तो खरीदते हैं वैसे भी
हाँ.
friends से शुरू किया.
Family
हाँ,
friends
friend ने
is
शुरू
different.
किया, अच्छा कुछ तो support किया.
Our achievement was we have got orders beyond that.
Yeah. I think that is when you feel like you know you've done something
You're actually
right.
reaching to the people
we
from other districts.
we have given an order in Germany.
Yeah,
One has
Damn.
gone to Russia.
Germany and Russia.
Yeah.
Any place, every place. So
I mean,
like,
that's a big thing.
yeah, for
Actually,
us,
big thing.
a
Yeah.
real big thing.
It's a real big
Because
thing, dude.
reaching places where we didn't even
I
think.
mean, Germany and
I
Russia
just
is
thought
not a small feat, dude.
Kothurud kilo.
Yeah.
I didn't Chinsad Max, but
I mean,
Hyderabad
even with
and-
the same thing, like it's like कि हाँ we like when we start an idea right like कि हाँ podcast चालू है करेगा like we'll grow. I think this is the only I think we call this the number one podcast in Kothurud because nobody else is doing it.
yeah, because
but still like you have an optimism कि हाँ एक time पे you never know right.
Actually,
we
You never
wanted
know.
this to happen, of course. कि
Yeah,
बाहर
yeah.
जाए.
It happened to so
Yeah, it just and we thought अभी brand छोटा होगा, 5 लोगों को पता होगा. We were not ready for this kind
It's
of.
exponential.
Yeah, we were like okay. So we had to run. We were on toes. Like right now also, अभी दिन भर काम करके फिर यहाँ पे. So like we really like
And
it.
we're
But
actually
yeah,
enjoying the work.
yeah,
that
we're loving the
doing.
work. Like
Then again, it's like a this thing. It's like a proof that you love what you do, right?
we'd rather
I
have
mean,
a
it's-
pressure of work than just not have work
Exactly.
and have that pressure.
But it's fun.
So,
At the end of the day, it's fun.
It's
Like,
absolutely fun.
like, I mean, you're working your asses off and then you come to it's going to Germany or Russia and you're like, oh
Yeah.
shit, dude, damn. You reach something, right?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. But
And
like,
US also. Once I went to.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hyderabad. Then US.
that means you're doing really good. Right?
That's
we're
right.
hoping.
Yeah. So, like, any future plans? Like, how are you going to like? How do you like? Do you have like a meeting every weekend or so?
Yeah, every day, every night.
Every day we meet, and once a month or twice a month actually
Yeah.
we meet to all our team members
Hmm.
where we discuss our finances, where discuss
everything.
with yeah
Everything basically.
Once-
What our plan is and everything.
Hmm.
So we do have a plan sketched out,
Hmm.
but we're not get it out yet.
Oh.
We're going to. I think it's a little long-term plan. That's why we intend to do. What we can tell is we intend to expand Talam products under Talam.
Hmm.
Talam is going to be a home for a lot of
Hmm.
things.
Hmm.
It's not just Talam sarees. It's going to
Okay.
be Talam
everything under
everything.
Hmm.
So yeah,
Well,
Pretty much
that's
that.
how it's going on right now.
yeah.
Yeah.
So right now,
So we are trying
baby
to
steps.
expand
One
this
step
business.
at a time.
It's not a baby step. You reach Germany and Russia. I mean,
No,
it's,
it.
still
But
like,
no,
yeah.
baby steps in terms of monetary funds.
Yeah.
थोड़ा थोड़ा करके let us
Slowly,
handle.
slowly we are taking steps
पहले
forward.
पहले 10 रुपए में हैंडल करना चाहिए, फिर 100 का खेलना चाहिए,
Right.
फिर 1000 का खेलना
Right.
चाहिए, फिर आगे जाना चाहिए. We didn't want to directly उड़े, फिर जो नीचे गिरे कि समझ में ही नहीं आया, ये नहीं चाहिए था. So we started off with something, of course, थोड़ा करके.
So you thinking of increasing the community?
Yeah.
Somewhere?
Like, so we just launched scarves,
Okay.
unisex
Unisex
scarves.
scarves.
So Khon is the fabric is Khon.
Mm-hmm.
We both are Maharashtrians, so technically we are going to go a little inclined towards.
Mhm.
And it's a beautiful fabric. We really wanted to put it out there. Okay, fine. What all can we do with this? Stereotypical हो जाता है बहुत. A lot of people think अच्छा ये तो साड़ी में use होगा. This is very heavy. You can't pair this with jeans. You can't pair this with kurta. I don't like it.
But I guess that is what we want to change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That vision we want to change.
Yeah.
So we came up with the unisex scarf, infinity
Scarves.
scarves.
Yeah.
So where you can pair it with your kurta, your shirt, your jacket, your leather.
It can be
leather
turned into a
jacket
mask. It can be turned into a bandana. Anything. So it's like you explore. We give you fabric.
maybe.
तुम देखो क्या
It's
करते
like
हैं.
technically sound, but also
Yeah, a lot
cool
of.
and, like,
It's up to
fashion.
how you
Damn
want to
There are
fashion
a
it.
lot of places you can explore while we're giving you a product. So that's we just launched that, and we're planning to launch a lot of products soon. So we're working
So
on
we are
it.
working on it actually.
Okay.
Not just the sari, but sari will be the main motive.
We're doing bridal wear now in sarees, bridal and a little heavier Diwali probably. That zone. So that's what we're gonna come up with.
Okay, so now we talked about business. This is one question that I think even the audience wants to know, and I do this with everybody. What are 3 things, according to you two, which are the most important to open a business, according to you?
Yeah. I'll start. I think smart work.
Okay.
Your vision should be very clear
Absolutely. Patience.
with your business.
Hmm.
At where you want to see your business or what are
Yeah.
your goals,
Hmm.
even if it's for 5 years,
Hmm.
but the goals should be very clear
Hmm.
with your business.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if you get confused, then you cannot create a proper vision which you have seen in your mind.
Yeah.
And maybe the trust with your partner, in your partner.
Yeah, I think a lot of smart work and patience and
Patience.
short goal. So one long-term goal, and to reach that long-term goal, short goals.
Yeah.
And this is like the technical aspect of it. But beyond that, I think respect for everybody who has helped at each and every point.
You should be grounded actually.
Immense
Yeah.
respect. I think that is what keeps you really grounded and reality दिखाता है. वही लोग तो
Yeah,
full
reality check
दिखाते
every
हैं.
time, right?
Yeah. So these things are really important.
So like reality check, basically keep everyone grounded and yourself grounded.
Yeah.
Have a vision,
Yeah.
Absolutely.
have a plan,
Yeah.
basically. And third thing,
I think patience and smart work.
patience and smart work.
Smart
right?
work.
I think
Smart
you
work.
need to be more street smart in these
I
times.
think smart work, like hard work, you are going to take 1 hour. How are you going to convert that into
Yeah,
5 minutes? That's smart work. Don't do what my dad calls donkey work. He's
Yeah.
like, stop doing donkey work. Do like, find out ways which are good to reach the goal easier. Yeah, so that's what I think.
So there are 3 things right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Clear. Okay, so this was the podcast. I mean, it was a very short one.
Yeah.
Again, technical issues बहुत थे, but we're gonna keep it short because viewer attention. This is Mir. We have Harshita and Shreya here. We're gonna put their Instagram. You have a website.
We have an Instagram.
Okay, we're gonna put their Instagram profile in the description below. Please check it out. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to Veg Biryani. Also, like algorithm ko, it'll help the algorithm. We coming up with new content. We just shot another video जिसका third part बनने का है. I think everybody who's been saying this has seen Atul's stories जिधर मेरी लगी थी. We're coming up with different types of content. Sorry for the delay, but yeah, this is the podcast. My name is Mir, and you are watching the Veg Biryani podcast. Tune in every Thursday for another podcast. Cheers.